Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain two easy methods of finding cube roots of perfect cubes. If you like my videos, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. First method. For this method, you need to memorize this table and it is very simple. If you observe the table, the last digits of cube ending with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9, their cube root is also ending with the same number except for 2, 3 and 7, 8. If the last digit of cube ends with 2, its cube root ends with 8. If the last digit of cube is 8, its cube root ends with 2. Similarly for 3 and 7 also. Now see the examples. Perfect cubes below 1000. 1000 means it is 10 cube. So as these numbers are below 10 cube, their answer is single digit only. Just by seeing the units place, we can write the answers. Units place is 9, so answer is 9. Units place is 3, so answer is 7. For 6, answer is 6. 5, answer is 5. Units place is 2, so answer is 8. Perfect cubes between 1000 and 8000. So 1000 is 10 cube and 8000 is 20 cube. As these numbers are between 10 cube and 20 cube, their answer is in 2 digits and the tens place digit is always 1. By seeing the units place, here units place is 1, so answer is 11. 7, 3, 6, 6. For 2 it will be 8. For 8 it will be 2. 9, 9. Perfect cubes between 8000 and 27,000. 8000 is 20 cube. 27,000 is 30 cube. As these numbers are between 20 cube and 30 cube, their answer is also in 2 digits. As they are between 20 and 30, the tens place digit is 2. By seeing the units place is 8, so answer is 2. 6, 6, 5, 5, 7, 3, 9, 9. Now see these numbers. Cube root of 2744. First observe the number, and this number is above 1000 and below 8000. So it is between 10 cube and 20 cube. So first digit is 1. Units place is 4. So answer is also 4. 14. Cube root of 21,952. As this number is above 8000 and below 27,000. So tens place digit is 2. Units place is 2. So answer will be 8. So for this method, you need to learn cubes of numbers from 1 to 10. Then only you can able to write the cube roots perfectly. Cube root of 6,58,503. Units digit is 3. So units place is 7. Now consider last 3 digits only. Neglect remaining digits. This 658, it lies between 512 and 729. Means these are perfect cubes of 8 cube and 9 cube. So here we take the smaller digit. So answer is 87. Next question. Cube root of 4,21,875. Here unit digit is 5 and the unit digit is 5. Now consider last 3 digits. As 421 lies between 7 cube, 343 and 8 cube. So 421 lies between 343 and 512. Here we take the smaller digit. So answer will be 75. Thank you for watching.